Welcome to a new episode of Lifestyle Elevation. Today, we're diving into the art of stylish packing, focusing on creating a travel wardrobe that's as functional as it is fashionable. When you're traveling, the key is versatility. Choose a color scheme for your travel wardrobe. This ensures that all your pieces can mix and match, giving you more outfit options with fewer items. Neutral colors like black, white, and beige are always safe bets. Invest in quality basics. A good pair of jeans, a versatile blazer, and comfortable yet chic shoes are essentials. These pieces can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for any travel itinerary. Don't forget accessories. Scarves, hats, and jewelry can transform an outfit without taking up much space in your suitcase. They're your secret weapon to adding a pop of color or a touch of elegance to any look. Packing efficiently is just as important as what you pack. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Use packing cubes or bags to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Always pack a small laundry bag. It's great for keeping dirty clothes separate from clean ones, and it can also double as an extra bag for souvenirs or beachwear. Remember, less is more. Packing light not only saves you from excess baggage fees, but also gives you the freedom to move around easily during your travels. In closing, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you're in Boston, come visit us at M.R. Antoine Rubini, located at 1 Federal Street, Boston, Massachusetts 2110. And for more lifestyle inspiration, check out our website at www.nanoninavu.com. Safe travels and stylish adventures.